Welcome to the Nespresso Assistance video on descaling your VirtuaLine machine. In order to obtain a perfect cup of coffee time after time, we recommend that you descale your VirtuaLine machine when needed. The machine is equipped with a descaling alert. The light will blink alternately 3 times, then become steady. The Nespresso Club offers you a descaling kit that is specially designed for your Nespresso machine. You'll see how simple it is to descale your machine. This operation will take 20 minutes. Before starting, open the machine and let the used capsule be ejected. Reclose the machine and leave the lever in unlocked position. Empty the capsule container and drip tray. Fill the water tank with 17 ounces or 500 milliliters of water. And the Nespresso descaling solution. Turn on your machine by pushing the button. During the preheating phase, the button gradually illuminates for 15 seconds. To enter the descaling mode, hold the button for at least 7 seconds. The button will start blinking quickly. You have 45 seconds to enter descaling mode by following the next step. Lock the machine by turning the lever left to the lock symbol and unlock by turning right. Hold the button again for at least 7 seconds in unlocked position. Place a container holding at least 20 ounces or 600 milliliters under the coffee outlet. To start descaling, lock the machine by turning the lever left and push the button. Let all the descaling solution flow through the machine. When finished, empty and thoroughly rinse out the water tank, drip tray, and cup support. Fill more than half of the water tank with fresh drinking water. Push the button to rinse the machine. The machine will stop automatically when complete. To exit the descaling mode, hold the button for at least 7 seconds. The button will stop blinking quickly and will become steady. Descaling is completed. Now allow the machine to dry for 10 minutes before using it. Your VirtuaLine machine is now ready to be used. You can now continue to enjoy our range of Grand Cru with your VirtuaLine machine, specifically designed to optimize the brewing of each blend and guarantee the ultimate Nespresso coffee quality, cup after cup.